Hello friend, welcome to the ISSBD informative video. Today once again I am going to introduce you the mini scanner as well as scanner talking to whom? Scanner talking to whom? Why we need a scanner? Scanner giving information from where and how lot of information come from engine to your scanner in your hand. Okay, the first of all, if you use the ELM 327 entry-level personal scanning tool with interface based Wi-Fi with iOS and Android and Windows based data communication scanning tool, and then you can find without any device, without any mobile phone, any other things, you can find this instrument which is made by Launch CREDA 3001, the special tools for personal level as well as for the technicians. Okay, and then if you go to the pro level, the most popular made by ThinDiac 4.0, which is you can compare with the very expensive other all the brand and more companies. This scan tool having lot of reset functions and calibration and programming and reprogramming, relearning, coding, injector coding, ABS bleeding, many options are available. Okay, this device, and if you want the pro level maximum availability for the working capability, that is Diaxon Pro, which is equivalent or more than X431, PAD4, PAD3, GSCAN and Autel, like this kind of instrument are similar with this Diaxon Pro. Okay, having the 40 special functions and more communication capabilities. Okay, one more device. With this all device you need to for the newer vehicle interface communicate with your vehicle. That device name is interface name is CAN-FD. This CAN-FD, sometimes you buy the scan tool but unable to communicate with your vehicle. You think that my scan tool may be not working. Actually, for the more faster data processing system, for more faster working, this CAN-FD is required middle of your data dongle with your interface device. Okay, we will discuss more about next video about the CAN-FD system. Okay, the issue why we need this scan tool, how is scan tool working. Okay, the system of the engine management system, the new design that having that facilities, which facilities are actually ECU based. The vehicle having the ECU system, this ECU system are basically work with the engine management system and other data processing system. That data processing system actually working with many kind of instrument in the vehicle. That 5 kind of instrument in the vehicle available. The one kind of instrument are here showing that in the screen. See the positioning sensor. This positioning sensor actually give the position of many processing instrument in the engine movement instrument. There is a showing that cam processing sensor and crankshaft position sensor, throttle position sensor. This cam position sensor is giving the information in the cam position of your vehicle, and the crankshaft position sensor in the engine piston position are given to the ECU, and the throttle position sensor are actually work for the acceleration processing instrument. Okay, then you can find airflow port in the air cleaner. After that, in the many different design of airflow sensor, MAP sensor, we call MAP sensor. This MAP sensor is measuring the airflow, that called MAP sensor. Okay, this MAP sensor are giving the information to the ECM, engine control module. Engine control module basically control all the system in the engine and your vehicle, how to run, and all the information by software are available in the engine management system. As you are using maybe the computer and MacBook that you find the ISO operating system, and computer example, they have the operating system of Windows. The manufacturer may be the different. The same process in the engine having the ECM protocol system. This ECM device having the one operating system. That operating system actually get through many sensors information together to smoothly run your engine. Okay, the next one is the pressure sensor. This pressure sensor is available in the three kind of instrument. One can be for you clear. One can be in the oil pressure sensor, and one for the your gear pressure sensor, one for the composition sensor, and the next one is most important for engine and other device can be working properly. That is called temperature sensors. These temperature sensors are giving information to the ECM, electric control module, to the engine temperature, the oil temperature, and the air temperature. So this kind of temperature are given to the engine module to give the engine the proper maintenance and proper run smoothly. Then you find the AFR and emission and other few sensors, which is actually control the nature and control the pollution and control the engine noise. And NOx sensor, you can find one NOx sensor. Sometimes maybe this NOx sensor, if having the problem, you cranking the engine will be not a start. Okay, if your MAP sensor is faulty, you cannot find the proper acceleration and other problem will be occur. And if you getting the problem in your MAP sensor, it will not measure the flow of your air, then the fuel consumption will be higher. Okay, and temperature sensor if faulty, then your engine can be seized over temperature, the engine can be broken down in the road. So these kind of sensors actually giving the electronic pulse signal. This signal, how you understand? You will understand only by scan tool. Okay, their language you have to understand through this interface. That's why we need the scanner. That each sensor, each instrument giving the data to the ECM. This data you need to know before you fix. Okay, so you need this kind of instrument to talking with your sensors, talking your instruments, talking with your machines to fix your vehicle. Okay, thank you very much, friends. We will give you more information. Get ready to get this kind of information from us. We'll make more videos for you people to be educated in the technical line. And please share your comments. We will give you the feedback. Find us in the Amazon, find us in the ISSBD UAE and more platform, AutoScan tool, our website ad. And you can find description below all the description number and other contact number. We'll be here to support you. Thank you in the next video.